Well, you already know about the number pi, but we're going into a little bit more detail today.
So look, we've got the 3 deer here. I think we need to make them a bit of a separate corral here, don't you think? Like a round one. I guess what we just need to do is try and calculate the area we need, right? Are we going to use pi for that?
So pi is what? It's the circumference, isn't it, of the round pen, of the circle?
But pi is all about area.
Bollocks to you, it's not. It's a circumference.
Bollocks
it's not.
to you, sir.
It's not.
It jolly well is. I think we need a referee.
Get civil, boys. You don't have to argue. We just figure it out.
It's in our blood.
But that doesn't help answering the questions. Let's figure out by measuring. Oh, like in court, you're plaidoyer. You may plead for your case, please.
Okay. Right. So, string, circle, diameter. Yes? So,
I'm trying to put you off.
you start with your diameter, and you start to edge your way around the circumference,
Yes.
and it gets you
3 and a bit ways round.
exactly pi. See? I rest my case.
You may be right,
I know I'm right.
but I am right too.
How?
I'm going to show you. So, you're talking about circumference, but I'm talking about area, because I want to know how many deer I can fit in that thing, all right? So just hear me out. So I'm going to talk to you now about how pi relates to area as well as circumference.
Okay.
So, I want to know how much area I've got here, because I want to know how many deer I can have in it. So, there's your circumference that you've kicked my ass about, okay? There's your diameter that you've done the same thing. And look, we've got radius. Here's my radius. And here's another radius. Now, if you just bear with me 1 second, check it out. I've got this square here, which has got the same radius as what this one has in it. Watch.
Yeah.
Look, same radiuses. But what we know is if I do 4 of these, it's a little bit smaller, my area, than 4 of these squares. So I'm contending that what I should use pi for is to find out how much smaller than 4 of these squares my area is, and that way I'm going to know how many deer I can have, right?
Fair enough.
So we know we can calculate this one because we just have to do that times that. That's just the radius squared, right? But if we do 4 times of those, it's going to be a bit too big. So maybe what we need to do is fold this one up into quarters and see what happens. Okay, so really what we need is 4 of those, right? All right, so if we know that we need 4 of them, right? And we knew that our whole thing was a little bit less than 4 times that, all right? Let's see if we fold this one up, how many of these folded up ones can we fit in here? And then we could maybe figure it out from there, maybe.
Okay.
All right, now, let's see, what can I do? Okay, I can get one of them in there, all right. Can I get another one of them in there?
Well,
No, I can't, can I? So let me cut this one into some even smaller pieces and see how that one goes.
Okay.
It's amazing, look, these scissors, they just grow wild.
They're
Amazing, isn't
Did
it?
you not plant them?
I planted them last year, but I didn't know if they'd come up. Cut here.
Just to let you know, I think this case would have been thrown out of court
Well,
already.
due process, due process, never hurry the courts. Justice was never served fast. That's how they ended up hanging people in the 18th century. Look, that one that one there fits there. Right, we know that, right? Okay, pop that there.
Okay.
That one doesn't, right? So I've got to fold this one in half again. Okay, look, I can get that one there,
Fair enough.
and I
But
can
you
get
got-
that one.
Oh,
Oh, see,
sneaky.
clever, isn't it?
Sneaky.
All right,
Yeah.
okay, give me a little bit of weight. All right. Now, these ones have to be even smaller together. So let me cut them in half. Why don't you help me out? Why don't you fold it, right?
Well, I got it cut it.
Well, okay, fold it and fold it again, and then cut it into like little ones. Fold that one in half. Well,
Again?
yeah, fold it in half again and cut it again. And I'll help you. I'll do this one. Shut that one. All right. Well, why don't you put that one there then? See if that works. Okay. All right. So look, that sort of fits, doesn't it? But with a little bit over. What? Okay, little bit over.
Okay.
Okay. What about that one?
Nope.
No. All right. So that one's got to go smaller again, hasn't
But
it?
then
So-
I've already cut one, you see.
Why'd you do that one in half then? Look, I got one there. That will fit there. But you've got a tiny little bit over. Pop, 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 pop.
Okay.
And then you got one there. You've got a tiny little bit over. Look. Pop, 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 pop. Just need something to weight it. That will do. All right. Now we'd better try and find how to get in there. Right. So what we need is, what do we need? Do we need little ones, don't we? Little ones. Little ones. Okay. So maybe even smaller than that, like that.
Alright.
So two of them. All right. So look. So I could cut this one. Okay. So look. That one there. And that one there. Right. So
Okay.
need some more stones. Right. That one there.
Got two stones right there.
And that one there.
You fit in there.
All right. So we've got a couple of bits left over here. Like you talked about getting 3 and a bit way round. So we're a bit. That's our bit there.
left.
But let's see what we have got. Like so, we've got a quarter here. Full quarter of. Right. We've got. Here we've got 2/8, right?
So there's 1/8. 1/8.
And then 1/8. And then we got 3 of these ones, which must be half of that, so it must be a 16th. So 16th. And we've got 2 of them, which are half of them, so that must be 30 seconds, right? So, all right. So why don't we add these all up, calculate these, see what we've got, and then see what's left over and see if we can make a plan from there.
Okay.
All right?
Let's have a go.
All right.